Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off tag notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. Now select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in tag then perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on notifications option. To turn off tag notifications, disable show notifications option. And this is how you can turn off tag notifications. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.